tomato, jalapeno. Oh no, they're dancing in the kitchen, stealing the show. Spinning on the counter, singing let's go. Mash, slash, crash, what a crazy combo. Potato wore a hat, tomato had a grin. Jalapeno shouted let's jump in. They hopped in a pot, bubble, bubble, steam. Turned into soup, what a spicy dream. Then came onion, crying with pride. Wait for me, I wanna slide. Carrot tap dance, garlic said yo. Now it's a veggie party, let's all go. They twirled, they tumbled, they laughed all day, making silly soup in a super silly way. So if you see your veggies start to play, join the fun, shout hip hip hooray. Would you like me to make this poem rhyme more like a song, or for reading aloud, or keep it story style, or like a picture book?